Today we talk about how can you disable order updates notifications on your app. We go to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do inverse, you just go down here, click in this sign down here, just click on it. So when you click on it, it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you go down, just keep going down here. You come here to order updates, you just click on it. So then you come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this here. You come to show notifications, click in this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone. That's mean here order notifications disable with us now. So that's all you have to do. I wish you I get it. That's all. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.